Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Fellow's Workspace Settings. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into every setting available to Workspace Admins, explaining what each feature is, why it exists, how different organizations use it, and exactly how to configure it. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be confident managing Fellow for your entire team, ensuring your setup matches your organization's branding, workflows, and security needs. To access your workspace settings, click on the workspace icon in the top left corner of Fellow and then select Workspace Settings. These controls are only available to Workspace Admins. Regular users will not see or be able to modify these options. We'll go through this menu in 3 sections: General Workspace Settings, Security Settings, and finally Note Taker and AI Settings. Let's start with the General section. General Workspace Settings, the first set of options, helps you customize the overall identity and behavior of your Fellow workspace. This is where you'll set your workspace name, URL, and logo, and configure key features like auto-locking notes, template creation, and action item controls. Let's start with the branding options. In Workspace Name, you'll see the name of your workspace as it appears across Fellow. This is fully customizable. In this example, the workspace is called Fellow External, but you can choose whatever name best represents your organization, department, or project. Below that, you'll see your workspace URL. This is the unique link that your teammates will use to join and access your workspace. To make sharing easier, we've added a quick copy button right next to the URL. Clicking it instantly copies the link to your clipboard so you can paste it into onboarding documentation, Slack messages, or emails without having to manually select or type it out. Directly underneath is your workspace logo. This logo is shown throughout Fellow, giving your workspace a branded and professional appearance. To change it, click on the current logo, then upload a new image from your computer. You can swap this out anytime your branding evolves, so that the way you present yourself in meetings is consistent with your brand. Now that we've covered branding, let's talk about customization options that affect meeting workflows. One of the first behavioral settings you'll see is auto-locking meeting notes. This feature automatically locks a meeting's notes after a period of time, preventing further editing. This is a key setting for organizations that need accurate records for compliance or auditing purposes. In Fellow, meeting notes are highly collaborative and editable by design. So without auto-locking, there's always the possibility that someone could update or change the official record of meeting notes days or weeks after it occurred. That can create problems when you need a clear, unalterable record of decisions, discussion points, or approvals. With auto-locking enabled, you can choose how long notes remain editable. Options range from as little as 15 minutes after a meeting ends to an hour, 1 day, 2 days, or up to 7 days. After that period, the notes will automatically become read-only, preserving them exactly as they were when the meeting concluded. If your organization prefers continuous collaboration and doesn't need to lock notes, you can also choose to turn this setting off entirely. This flexibility allows you to meet compliance needs without adding unnecessary friction to teams who value documentation. Next, let's look at workspace template creation. This setting determines who is allowed to create workspace-wide agenda templates. Agenda templates are reusable frameworks for structuring meetings. Some organizations take a collaborative approach and allow every user to contribute new templates, which can encourage innovation and empower teams to tailor meetings to their needs. Other organizations, particularly those with strict governance requirements, may prefer to limit template creation to workspace admins. This prevents template sprawl and ensures consistency across recurring meetings like sprint reviews, board meetings, or performance check-ins. This setting is simply a toggle that gives you control over how much autonomy users have in shaping the structure of your organization's meetings. Finally, in this section, let's review action item completion controls. This feature allows admins to choose whether action items can have multiple assignees or are limited to a single responsible owner. In Fellow, action items can be created manually or automatically. After a meeting concludes, Fellows AI analyzes the transcript to identify tasks and will assign them to relevant participants. You also have the option to create tasks manually during or after meetings. Some teams prefer to assign a single person to each action item to ensure clear accountability. Others use the complete by any approach, where an action item is assigned to multiple people, allowing the first person who completes it to mark it done. This can be especially useful for team-level tasks, like a group preparing slides or testing a new feature. This setting gives admins control over whether multiple assignee tasks are allowed. By toggling this feature, you can create a system of task ownership that matches your company culture and accountability standards. That concludes the general workspace settings. Now, let's move to the security section.